forget to subscribe. Let's hit 52, guys. Let's go. Must to feel out to know. I don't mean to go. Guys, in the Philippines is ongoing Bagyo. That means ongoing flooding. I'm going to flood, guys. I'm flooding. So guys, let's be news our new game, Clicking Simulator. And you want some Robux or you don't have a Robux, so this is your answer. Go to the comments, say your name and username to get the giveaway.